Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you all how I created these very unique Marley twists. And yes, I'm acting very extra, and that's because I'm in California. And isn't that water beautiful? Also, I'm super excited just to show you all how I created this look, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so the hair that I'm using is the Xpression Marley Twist ombre hair. And right here, I'm just parting my hair to get that twist started. I also use the shine and jam to mold my hair, and as you can see how I'm careful to leave my edges out of the twist. So you want to go ahead and start by splitting your hair into two sections. Then take your Marley hair and twist one section into one direction and then the other in the opposite direction. Now this will create a seamless twist without braiding. Then you want to go ahead and just continue to twist your hair. When you have about a ½ inch left, you want to go ahead and add your curly hair to the ends by just twisting that hair into your existing twists. So right here I'm just showing you how I use this track hair to create my curly end. And right here I'm just continuing to twist until I finish my style. So here I'm just slowing down the video to show you once again how I created these curly ends. So you are using the same concept to add your ends as you did to start your twist. Just split the hair into two sections and then twist in opposite directions. So there you have it, a seamless twist. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now don't forget to subscribe and to check my description box for additional details. Thank you again for watching.